Here's how you can be in control of your financial data visibility on the Ethereum blockchain with DOP. Begin by creating a new DOP wallet and connecting your main wallet right after. Now, you're ready to use DOP. Whenever you wish to encrypt your assets, select your desired holdings from your main wallet and the amount you wish to encrypt. And with a click of a button, you've successfully encrypted your tokens. Transfer assets between DOP wallets to keep the information under control. Only you and the receiver can see the assets sent within the protocol. No one else. You can decrypt encrypted assets by returning the tokens to your wallet or any other Ethereum wallet. Yes, it is that easy to surpass over transparency. And with the addition of various user badges rewarding your activity, DOP guarantees that your journey to data ownership will be enjoyable and valuable. Time to become the owner of your on-chain financial data exposure. DOP, your data, your choice.